Can you drive without airbag module? While a vehicle can still run without an airbag module, it is strongly recommended that drivers do not operate the vehicle without it being installed, unless an emergency situation arises and there is no other option. There are several reasons for this, the biggest being to preserve one's safety while driving. The main reason why it is unsafe to drive without an SRS airbag module installed is because a car's airbags will not work without them. If they do no work, then they are not able to serve their purpose as secondary restraint systems, and as a result will not deploy if an accident were to occur. As you can imagine, that can pose as a giant problem. Without airbags deploying, a driver and any passengers can face serious injury or even death. During a sudden stop or a collision, the airbags are what stop the occupants of a vehicle from crashing through the windshield or against other objects and people in the vehicle. Without airbags in the equation, nothing would be able to slow down occupants' change in momentum and reduce the forces exerted on them. The safest bet for an owner of a vehicle that needs their SRS airbag module replaced is to have another form of transportation ready for the time it takes to reset or entirely replace the unit. Although it may be a hassle to do so, it is better to be safe than sorry. The great thing is that there is a company, Safety Restore, that is able to reset airbag modules and only takes 24 hours to do so. For that short amount of time, arranging another form of transportation shouldn't even be a problem. Not only will it take a short amount of time, but it can also save a driver hundreds or even thousands of dollars compared to the prices at the dealer.